Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. At gaya nga po ng aking ipinangako sa inyo mga kapolitika, ay panunuorin po natin itong ilang bahagi ng concert ni Sofronio Vasquez together with Jed Madela and Between Escalante dito sa Bravo concert sa Soler sa Parañaque City. So medyo nahirapan po tayong humanap ng video kung saan natin mapapanood ng live or yung mas longer na version ng live performances ng tatlong kapamilya stars. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At gaya nga po ng ating ipinangako doon sa ating mga naunang video ay ating hahalugugin ang social media mga kapolitika para makahanap ng mga clip videos ng live performances ng tatlong kapamilya stars dito sa Bravo concert sa Soler sa Parañaque City, si Jed Madela, Between Escalante and no other than Sofronio Vasquez. So mabutin lang ay nakahanap tayo ng video na mas mahaba-haba dito sa channel ni Kuya KS. So credit this video to him and ipapanood natin dito dahil ito ay bilang suporta nga natin kay Sofronio Vasquez at yung from time to time is nag-update tayo ng mga ganap at ano yung mga activities ni Sofronio Vasquez. So dito ay bago yung concert ng Bravo dito sa Soler ay nag-post muna si Sofronio dito sa kanyang pagbisita sa mismong venue na kung saan ay pinost niya sa kanyang social media account na napakalawak ng room na ibinigay sa kaila ng nasabing venue. So marami rin po sa ating mga kababayan at yung mga tagahanga ni Sofronio ang talagang excited na dito sa kanyang concert dahil ito yung kauna-unahang live event ni Sofronio Vasquez kasama itong si Jed Madela at Between Escalante. So ang maging reaction ko dito mga kapolitika sa venue or sa production ng concert ay napakaganda at napansin ko agad yung malaking LED screen na kung saan ay kitang-kita yung sila Sofronio, sila Jed Madela at si Between Escalante even doon sa mga malalayong seats. Okay? So at gusto ko rin yung part na kung saan is medley ni Sofronio itong mga awitin ni Regine Velasquez at sad to say is hindi po natin mapiplay lahat mga kapolitika ng mga songs. May mga cuts po dito sa part ng video dahil po may copyright. Pero ipopost ko rin po yung link ni ng videos ni Kuya KS dahil medyo kompleto doon yung mga videos, okay? So yun po ang at dito papanoorin po natin yung mga reaction rin ng ating mga netizen bago yung concert. So mga kapolitika, ano po ang inyong mag-reaction dito sa performances of Sofronio sa Bravo concert sa Soler? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Manila. Good evening, Soler! Tonight, you know, this is very special para sa akin because finally, after I won The Voice, I get to be back home and perform in front of you. Maraming salamat po. And I am super thrilled and honored to be, of course, performing on stage kasama yung aking mga iniidolo before I was on The Voice. Miss Between Escalante and Mr. Gentleman.
As long as hindi mo sinabi, iniidolo since childhood. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sof. Tonight, it's not just about music. It's also about making our dreams come true. It's our dreams that led us to this very moment, and it's our passion for music that took us from the Philippine stage to the world, diba? Sofronio Vasquez. That voice. USA champion, world champion of the performing arts, Jed Madela.
And of course, between Escalante, the voice that continues to shake the theater world. Yeah! And is of course considered one of the best female vocalists in the Philippines. So, we got you covered. We also have our band tonight, headed by our musical director, Maestro Ian Guido.
Yigo!
Alright. So tonight, we hope that you'll be able to experience the immense talent that we Filipinos are celebrated for all over the world. Ang tanong ko sa inyo, are you ready, Manila?
Parang hindi namin naririnig. One more time.
Are you ready, Manila?
Excited na sila. Simulan mo na, soft. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the dreamer who dared and the champion who conquered.
The Voice USA champion, our very own Sofronio Vasquez.
Thank you so much, Between and Jed. Nakakilig lang talaga na may introduce sa mga idolo. Now I get to sing the winning song. I close my eyes and I can see the world that's holding. A million dreams for what we're gonna make. Special things are come about, each one of them make me smile all the way there. Special things are come, they can say it all sounds easy. A million dreams. Wow! That was my winning song. I love you, everyone. Mamaya mamili ko kayong lahat, ha? Are you guys ready for the next one? Parang hindi naman. Are you guys ready? Okay. Maestro! If you know this song, of course you can jump. I love you all. Alam ko maraming dumating na hindi galing sa Pilipinas or from Philippines man, pero they traveled to watch the show. So maraming salamat. I hope to meet everyone mamaya. So ipagkaloob na namin director, direct, baka, meron tayong meet and greet. But, to move forward, imagine, alam niyo tulad ko, stepping onto a stage with nothing but a song in my heart. Nangarap lang din ako. I tried my way to the voice stage. And lahat ng mata, judges, lahat ng mga kritiko, andito sa amin lahat, but we are just blessed to be in front of everyone tonight. Kasi parang hindi kayo, huwag naman kayong mag-judge. Wala kayong gong, di ba? I am speaking about our next guest. For sure makaka-relate siya. Kasi she was an example of a person. Hirap ang English. She was an example of hardworking little girl before, but she's a grown-up woman tonight. And parang ako, dumaan din siya sa isang intense competition. And parang kilala niyo naman siya. Without further ado, please welcome Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 6 winner and 2024 Awit awardee for the best performance of new solo artist. Are you ready? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Laika Estrella.
Now, paying tribute to one of his musical heroes, please welcome back Sofronio Vasquez.
Are you guys enjoying? Tuwing ikaw ay nariyan sa may mata at higayan ang iyong tinig, wari ko'y di marinig pagkat namamangha pagkausap ka. Kaya nais ko malaman mo ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigan at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay ko ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. I love you, Mama. Ngunit tagal ko na naghihintay na sa akin ay mataalay na mahibig na tunay at di mawawakas. Ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay ko ito. Pangarap Alam niyo ba, dream ko talaga makapag-perform ng, of course, mga songs ni Miss Regine. Kasi kung nalalaman niyo lang, kinikwento ko to sa The Voice, na ginamit ko talaga si Miss Reg para manalo tayo. So, I wanna thank I wanna thank Bravo for bringing me this opportunity to sing Miss Eugene Velasquez songs, of course, Miss Between, and Sir Jen Magela.
Maraming salamat sa Sir Jen. Thank you
Thank you po.
so much. And we would like to take this chance, of course, to extend our deepest thanks to the people who made Bravo Manila possible. Of course, let's give a big hand to ABS-CBN Music and Integrated Events, headed by Mr. Roxy Likigan. So Roxy, thank you very much. To Dars Chan, thank you. And of course, Mr. Jonathan Manalo, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po. Our special thanks to our ABS-CBN bosses, Sir Carlo Cotipac, Sir Mark Lopez, and of course, Miss Cory Budanes. Maraming salamat po to Direk Laurenti Jogi.
Direk Lore, thank you.
Direk Lore, thank you. Our Star Magic, Polaris, and of course, to my Sir Riley Santiago. Maraming salamat po, Sir.
And of course, to our directors, Direk J. Cleo and Direk Ichi Flores. Playback Productions, headed by Jessamy Samson. Our vocal coach, Annie Quintos Uy. The A-Team dancers. And to our band, headed by our musical director, Maestro Ian Inigo.
Also sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Bravo Manila, our staff, our technical crew, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Also, I would like to personally thank Gian Laksamana, Mabet Concepcion, Star Magic Management, Team Jed Modela, and my mom and my dad who are here tonight. Mom, Dad, where are you? Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom and Daddy. Yeah, thank you so much.
My thanks to Mano Domingo, Chrissy Paluyot Hernandez, Jorans De Limos, Lian Locsin, Mama V, my ASAP and its Showtime families, and my daughters Luna and Tala Ate.
And of course, I would also personally want to thank my team, Adrian Minsalvas, Ann Christine Ko, my designer Inigo Jose, and of course, my team, Maki Combe, Joanne, Melden, of course, my mama, my family is there, Overture 25, and Godzilla International family. Maraming salamat po. Alright, tuloy na natin. Kasi alam ko, sa kantahan, sinasabi nila, Filipino is the best audience. Tama ba?